Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update QuickBooks Online for new 1099 forms step by step clearly. To update QuickBooks Online for new 1099 forms, first, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the gear icon located in the upper right corner. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. From the settings options, select Account and Settings. In the left sidebar, click on the Advanced tab. Scroll down to the Accounting section. Here, look for the 1099 drop-down menu. Make sure your 1099 settings are updated by selecting Yes if you need to track payments for 1099 filing. Next, head back to the main dashboard. Click on the Expenses tab on the left sidebar. In the Expenses menu, select Vendors. Locate and click on the vendor you need to update for 1099 reporting. Check if the vendor's profile is marked as eligible for 1099s. If not, you can edit the. Make sure to input their tax identification number, or TIN. Save the changes once you have updated the vendor's information. Next, go to the Reports section on the left sidebar. In the Reports menu, search for 1099 Report. Run the 1099. Review the report for accuracy, checking amounts and vendor details. If there are any discrepancies, go back to the vendor profile to make necessary corrections. Lastly, if everything looks correct, you are now ready to file the 1099 forms at tax time. This ensures compliance with IRS regulations for the reporting year. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.